This is how you make me feel. This is how you make me feel.
From learners to leaders, Amazon Web Services is where transformation begins. Students move beyond theory and step into actions as speakers, builders, and change makers. It's not just about cloud computing, it's about building confidence, leadership, and a global impact. And today I stand tall as one among 12 gold badge captains all over the world. Hello everyone, I'm Dhyana, the AWS Cloud Captain at St. Joseph's. My journey began when I stepped into PEP Cloud Computing and DevOps Center. I took my first AWS certification exam, not for the certification itself, but to see what it holds. Then came a turning point. I had an opportunity to be part of India's first ever student community day that happened for 2 days, which was completely run by our students. We saw 3 simultaneous tracks with 700 plus student participants, 45 plus speakers, and 280 plus professionals who were actively involved with our community. One of the most unforgettable moments is that I got to be part of AWS She Tech Day 24 and 25. But this time I wasn't the audience, I was the speaker alongside a lot of tech professionals and industry leaders. Since then, I've led hands-on workshops, mentored my juniors, and I've been part of one of our most proudest project, Nephi 2.0, an AI-powered, cloud-enabled wheel robot designed and built by our club students. Nephi could speak, move, recognize faces, and interact live at tech events. I may wear the badge, but every step we have taken it together. This isn't just my legacy, it's ours.
And I feel good. I'm feeling good.
Welcome everyone to the 14th annual reInvent. It's so awesome to be here. We have over 60,000.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. So this is what we have done today, and we are Team India. We are representing our country, and here we are with whatever we have done with respect to us. So imagine we are farmers. We are a bunch of farmers, and we have left our field. We have left our paddy field, we have left our whatever field that is in our country, and we are here for reInvent. So what will be the situation for our field? So that's how we came up with this. So we have 3 set of rotors. So this is our field, and this is a dam which acts as a water resource, and this is our drone. So what this drone does is that it will move around the field, it will analyze the crop's condition, it will detect if any crop is diseased or if it needs more humidity or whatever terms it might be, it will detect, and it will make sure that this particular data is sent to our robot. This data will be grown with this, and through IoT code, we have made sure that all the data will be put into a database and segregated in a way that this will make sure that I get all the data collected. So this as a robot. So this will move around the field, make sure that all the ingredients like all the minerals or whatever that is needed for the farm is made sure that it goes on to the right crops and we deliver it properly. So as I told, the drone does the viewing thing, it makes sure that our crops are safe, and this makes sure that everything gets what it needs, and this makes sure that it sends the right information to me. So I'm right here and I'm getting all the information safe. So